Now, the next one, he's going to throw the jab, hook, left hook, and then right hook. So we'll go 1, left hook, right hook. Now you're cocked on this side, and you can deliver with your right hand and the left hook. And you'll notice I breathe out on each one of those techniques. It's good to keep your body aerated. Breathe out. A fight is a stressful situation. Breathe out each technique. It could be any way. If you're a martial arts guy and you have your own type of breathing, that's fine. But if you're just getting started, just like you're telling somebody to be quiet. And you should get used to that. Okay.
Hey, it's Jimbo here with another tip. Most guys don't consider a fight to be a life and death situation. That's a big mistake. A fight, any fight, can quickly turn deadly, which is why you need some ugly tricks up your sleeve. That's exactly what I've got for you, a series of lethal fight enders that can end a fight in seconds using nothing more than your bare hands. I can't show them to you here on this platform because they're considered to be too violent and too deadly. But you can get them for free by clicking on the link in the description. Okay, on to our next tip.
So, if the person is close in, when he throws maybe 2 straight and 1 hook, jab, cross, hook. If he's in close, I'm going to now use the elbow. Okay, wham, hit with the left elbow, and then hit with the right elbow. Okay, again, this is a very common combination. Jab, cross, hook. It could be jab, hook, cross. It could be jab, right hook, left hook. As long as you understand that when the person throws straight punches, you parry it in here, and when the person throws hook punches, you cover. Yes, there are better things to do if you had a lot of time to dedicate yourself to the martial arts. SEAL team guys didn't, and a lot of the people in the public do not. They want basic techniques that are going to work and that are easy to remember. Okay. Again, jab, cross, hook. If you understand body mechanics, I can hit with the left hand, or I can hit with the left elbow. And then the right elbow. Okay, and back again. Now if you throw the jab, left hook, right hook for the other side, jab, left hook, cover right hook, I can go with my right elbow now. Left elbow. You see that? Okay. And if you don't have the pads, you can just use your partner as a target. You just cannot make the hit. Why these pads are so valuable is because we stay away from the no contact practice of pulling our techniques an inch or 2 away from the target. This is going to give you a false sense of distancing. And when you make contact on the pads, it gives the fighter a sense of confidence that he can pull off these techniques with full force and in combination. Okay, that's very important. And you can just use your hands too. If you're at home and you want to show somebody, make the contact. Okay? This could be done just like with a hand position. Again, 1, 2. Make sure this goes right to the face. You're only cheating your partner if you don't put these techniques right on the money. Cover. See, he can use his hand. 1. He can use his hand. 2. At least this way, again, you're making that contact. Okay. Now, in application, you already understand when the person does the jab, cross, hook. This hook is going to go to the side of the face. The cross will go to the face here. I can then continue my strike with left elbow and then right elbow. This is natural. Again, 1, 2. I may cover this one. I'm going to go with the hook here, with the cross here. If I just went to my right, I go to the left here and then to the right here. Okay. That's some basic combinations you can work on. Okay, again, emphasizing that when the punches come straight in, you parry, and when the punches are to the outside, you cover. And if you lean one way to cover, you attack with the other side. If you punch with the cross, follow with the hook. If you hit with the left elbow, follow with the right elbow. These are natural body mechanics.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.